I am Josh Miller, building principal here for, this is number 6. You can see it's a new day because I have a new outfit. So we're talking about assembly behavior. We're outside the gym where we have the majority of our assemblies. So first and foremost, how you get here is a voice level 0. We will call over the intercom when your class gets called over the intercom. That's your cue to come down to the gym. So same hallway behavior, voice level 0 all the way down inside the gym. From there, once you're inside, we need you sitting crisscross applesauce, voice level 0, so we can start our assembly on time. Now, while you're in the assembly, your focus should be at the front of the room, whoever is talking. Sometimes it might be where they need you to cheer and you clap, and that's okay to do that, but whenever someone is speaking, that's when you need to make sure that you are quiet. In addition, your hands need to be to yourself, not on your neighbor. You also need to be sitting flat and facing forward, not next to you, not behind you. Sit crisscross applesauce, hands to ourselves, paying attention to our speaker. When it's all over, then that's a chance for you to find your teacher and follow their directions. Last and most importantly, it is a very good indicator of how good the school behavior is by how they perform during assembly. So we want to make sure that we do a great job so we can ask these people back anytime somebody comes to visit our school. So remember, in and out quiet, crisscross applesauce, hands to ourselves, voice level 0. That's it for this edition of This Is How We CTE, and we'll see you next time.